The FiveM multi-character system, built to give players complete control over how they enter the world. Every detail is customizable from the very first screen. Each character is more than just a model. Choose how they stand, how they move, select custom poses, idle animations, and even weapon-holding styles, whether your character arrives on foot. The interface includes 4 built-in color presets, with a changeable ByTD files, allowing instant theme switching to match your server's identity. No clutter, no repetition, just a clean, polished experience. Ashrigs multi-character. Roleplay without limits.